Back today for Future Firm Friday, and we have Dr. Ashley Maru, a personal injury lawyer and radiologist. Dr. Maru is the managing partner at Future Firm Law, and Dr. Maru has been taking care of injured people here in Tampa for over a decade. His law firm, Future Firm Law, specializes in personal injury law, and today we're going to talk about different brain injuries because, first of all, thank you for joining us today, Dr. Maru.
Yeah.
And we were talking about even the slightest bump in a car crash, what we think is nothing big, could actually cause major problems in the brain. Why does that happen?
Yeah, so traumatic brain injuries are a very interesting type of injury. It's a type of injury that historically has kind of gone undiagnosed or underdiagnosed. And yet it doesn't really take a severe impact for there to be traumatic brain injury. And there are different levels of traumatic brain injury. So if it's okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about traumatic brain injuries and what actually happens in the brain as a result of a car crash. So I've got my handy dandy model here, right? This is a model of the skull. And inside the skull, I'm able to take this off.
Oh, wow.
Got the brain inside. So I want to talk a little bit about what happens in a car crash. So in a car crash, you could sustain trauma to the brain, direct trauma from the front, from the side, from the back. But let's say that you sustain trauma from a window. The window hits you, hits your head, or your head hits the window. So you hit your head right here. Well, that direct trauma to that part of the skull can cause an injury to this very front left part of the brain. It's the left frontal lobe. That's what it's called, the left frontal lobe. And because your brain is actually suspended in a fluid, so your brain is actually floating inside your skull. There is fluid surrounding your brain. When you hit your brain on the front left, that actually causes the brain to shift inside your skull so that the back right of the skull hits the back right of the brain hits the back right of the skull. So many times with traumatic brain injuries, you can sustain an injury to the brain in multiple places in the brain because of this, what's called coup and contra coup type injury, because the brain is suspended in fluid inside the brain. And you can also have other types of injuries to the brain, a little bit too much to go into today, but rapid deceleration, rapid acceleration. Different structures in the brain have different densities. So the outer surface of the brain is real dense, whereas the inner surface is a little less dense. When you rapidly accelerate or decelerate, those two layers of the brain can shift.
And that causes major problems.
Major problems. It's something called diffuse axonal injury. It can lead someone, it can cause death, it can cause a persistent vegetative state. But many times those mild types of shear injuries or mild brain injuries go undiagnosed, maybe forever. And
sometimes you were mentioning that people can present changes in their moods, perhaps like severe headaches, stuff like that. Those are some of the things that you see.
Yeah, so brain injuries can be very challenging to diagnose. And you can have the clinical exam, someone talking to a patient that says what's going on, and maybe the patient recognizes there's memory issues, there's emotional issues, there's sleep issues, there's speech issues, maybe, but maybe not. You need advanced brain studies or imaging of the brain many times to diagnose these types of injuries objectively. So a CAT scan of the brain, a plain MRI of the brain, those are two types of imaging studies that are commonly used to diagnose brain injuries. But for mild traumatic brain injury cases or concussion cases, you won't see anything. Nothing pops up on those imaging studies. There are very special advanced brain studies that I know a lot about.
I was going to highlight that. I mean, you are the expert, you're a radiologist, and then you can actually apply that to the law and get the best compensation for your client.
Exactly, and a big part of what we do on the law side is to prove injuries. I have the radiology expertise to find the injuries and diagnose the injuries. So there are very advanced brain studies on top of those CAT scans and plain MRIs that use very specific sequences and very special techniques to diagnose these types of injuries. They're done at very specific times. So if you're injured, if you have a traumatic brain injury, if you have one, and even if it doesn't come to light for a couple of months, call my firm, let us get you in the hands of the right traumatic brain imaging, traumatic brain doctor, and let us get you on your path to diagnosing those injuries and treating those injuries. That's something that we have an expertise in because of my background primarily that others don't.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Maru. And of course, if you have suffered of any brain injury or perhaps being in a car crash, make sure that you call the number on your screen. Have a good one.